Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, today's going to be a different video. It's going to be a voiceover and I'm going to be doing something different today. So what I am showing you here is a cup of white paint. That is Titanium White by Amsterdam. So I've got a full cup of that. The next bunch of colors I'm going to share with you in just a moment. So we are going to start off with 24 karat gold by Deco Art. The next color is going to be Burnt Umber by Amsterdam. Then we have Burnt Sienna by Amsterdam. The next color on the list is Phthalo Turquoise by Art. And then we are going to be adding some piggies. We've got Wild Atlantic by This Little Piggy. And then finally, we are going to be using some Billabong by TLP as well. So those are the colors I'm going to be using today. And here I've got a cup and I am going to be doing a flip cup. So I am starting off by throwing in some white paint at the bottom of my cup. And I will continue to layer the cup with all the colors I just showed you. Starting off with some Phthalo Turquoise by Art. Just going to drizzle it in there in the cup. Yep, that looks just about right. And my paint consistency is on a thicker side. And then we've got, I can't remember what this was. Wild Atlantic or Billabong? No, it was Wild Atlantic. That's Wild Atlantic by TLP. Then we're going to throw in some more white on top of that. You can see it's nice and thick. The paint is staying on the top, not sinking down. This is Billabong by TLP. Such a pretty color. All right, and then next we are going to add some more white. Put a nice thick layer of white on top of all of that blue. Lots of white, lots and lots of white. All right, and now we're going to start adding some of those brown tones and the gold. So we've got our 24K from Deco Art. You can see how super thick that is, extremely thick. Not thin like my blowouts. And then we've got the Burnt Umber, really thick. Let's throw in some Burnt Sienna. Alrighty. And then what are we going to throw in? Some white on top, of course. So I'm going to continue to layer my cup and continuously putting white in between those colors because we don't want to get them all muddied up. But I'm going to move along and I'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, so my cup is full and I'm going to flip her. Flip her over and try not to make a mess. So flipped that over, all the paints. That was a full cup, let me tell you. I'm going to use a push pin to poke a hole in the plastic cup. That way airflow will get into the cup and just easily let that paint come out. So I'm just taking the cup and lightly just going around the canvas, letting all the paint out, just like that. So I've got a big puddle of paint now. Those colors are so pretty. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some excess paint that I had kicking around, just leftover paints from other pours, and I'm going to put that around the canvas because we call that a flow extender. So then that way the paint around the edges will help with the paint in the center flow around the canvas as I'm tilting it. So I'm just spreading it around with my, what I like to call spatula, my spatula. And I'm just now using my torch to pop all my air bubbles. And once that is all done, it is going to be, as Massey boys say, tiltin' time. So here we go. I am going to pick up the canvas and I am going to slowly tilt this around, all the way around in every direction until I get what composition I think looks best. And then it shall be ready for final results. So I am going to stop talking. I'm going to throw in some music for you guys to enjoy, and I'll be back at the end of the video. And there you have it, my friends. So I'm going to show you guys a close-up of the piece of wet results, and then I will show you dried results of the piece. So check out those gorgeous looking cells. Is that not cool or what? Look at those pretty cells. Now, I've got to fess up. Now, you guys know how this works. This is part of the Switcheroo collaboration with TLP. So obviously, I did not do this painting. Someone else has done that painting, and I would like you guys to guess who it is. Who do you think did this painting? Because it wasn't me. Somebody else did it. Put in the comments below who you think created this beautiful piece of art. Now, the names of everyone that are participating in this collaboration are in the intro. So, who do you think it was? Take a look at those names. Take a guess at who you think did this pour, because it wasn't me. And put your guesses in the comments below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, liked to see something different on my channel, even though it wasn't me who did it. But it was definitely fun, and I'm really happy to have been part of this super cool collaboration. Stick around because there's more videos to come. There are videos tomorrow as well, and then also next weekend as well. So until then, that is it for me for now. I'm going to show you guys the dried results, and then I shall say goodbye. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.